Hello, Travel Toddy here. I'm waiting right now for my Uber driver who will bring me from my house to the airport, and then I will fly from Fort Myers to Frankfurt, and then I go to then I will get my rental car and will go to Cologne. I hope you will join me. See you later.
Yes, this is the airplane what you will get from Discover Airlines, an Airbus A330. So after 10 hours fly, I finally made it to the airport in Frankfurt.
Guys, I'm in Cologne now on the Rhine River. Here you see a river. Now we see a boat. Well, this is probably the side here. That's the Rhine River. It's always nice to be here. Hi guys, I'm now on the Cologne Dome. You can see that. And right behind me, it's the train station of Cologne. So now on the other side of the dome, you see that? It's really nice. It's right now 7 p.m. and it's getting chilly a little bit. We're having June, still June, yes. But the temperature in the daytime is okay. It's probably 85 or something like that. But at night it will be cool down to in the 70s, lower 70s. Anyway, so I will wait until the lights coming on and I will take some other pictures. All right. It's really huge and nice. It's already closed, so we can go inside, but I'm pretty sure in the next days I will go inside. There you have a room. You have a place around here, and you hear all kind of languages, but not German. All kind of languages. So many tourists here. Hey guys, I just stepped to a police officer here, right behind me, and I take my camera, of course, to film that. And I was stepped to him, and the first thing he said, I have to turn off the camera and I have to delete the video. I was not sure why, and I asked him for it, and he was really mad about me because I was making a video without of his permission. So this is Germany. So you cannot film people right away, you cannot film the police right away. You need a permission from them to make this video. The Cologne Dome at night. Looks great. So and I'm walking right now to my car and driving home.
Hi guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to the Cologne Cathedral and will go up there around 530 steps. I hope I can make it up till there because I'm not sure if I'm in this shape to get up there. But anyway, the Cologne Cathedral will be really nice, and also you'll have a really great view. So now we are in downtown Cologne again on the Cologne Cathedral, and we will go up there. The only thing what's not so nice is it's really hot today. It's around 90, 95 Fahrenheit. But we will do it.
Ja. Wieso gehen die Treppen hoch? Immer Wendeltreppe. Oh Gott. Hasi ist gar nicht mehr fit. So, sind wir erstmal hier. Glockenturm. Yes, now you see the 3 huge bells they have. I'm not sure if there are more than 3 ones, but even these 3 ones you see here, they were really huge. Yeah, and this one is the main bell, and they're only using this one on special events, probably if they have a new pope or something like that. Yeah, and now we make it to the top, and we're enjoying the great view to the whole area of Cologne. I hope you like it, and if you enjoy it, then please like and subscribe the video, okay? I hope we see you again, and see you next time. Bye.